ನೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Balls and check. 20 times. No. 10 times.
No.
5 times.
No. Second floor.
5 times.
6 night ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
Enjoy, guys. Life is about enjoyment. Don't do work, don't do anything.
Don't do anything. Don't follow him, guys. Oh, thank you. Hey Twinklings, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. And e vlog ali I'll be capturing the reactions of my friends where I'm meeting them after 15 days. So let's get started. ಗೈಸ್ ನನಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೇ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗೈಸ್ ನಾನು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಗೈಸ್. ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಟುಡೇ. Guys, I really miss you guys. Really miss you. Even I miss these guys. Come. I'll boys kiss. Boys get dress ana. ಆದಿತ್ಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ವಂಶ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ಒಳಗ್ ಬರಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಒಳಗ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನಾ? ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಯ್. How are you? Instead of me doing this, how are you? Oh, good. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi guys.
Hi Twinklings.
Hey Twinklings, we missed you Twinklings.
Hi.
People come, people go, people change. People come again. Yeah. People change again.
How are you doing?
People change. People change again. People change. No, I'll not change, guys. You know me, right? People change. Change. People change. No.
People change.
People change. People change. Oh God. People change.
Hi.
Hi. What a sudden surprise.
What is
Vlog in a mall. It's not a mall.
ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಗ್ರಸ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಗೈಸ್, ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಬಸ್ ನನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಂದ. ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಲವ್ ಗೈಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲವ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲವ್. Love in love. Premam, Preeti. Premam. You guys are there, no? Kadal, Dil, Ishq. Yeah, that's fine.
Ishq too.
Yeah, we'll do.
It's enough.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Hey, come this. I'll show you. They are shopping. There's a closing. Oh, you didn't come to vlog. At least say hi.
Hi. Hi.
He's overacting, guys.
Like you.
You shut up. Come on.
Good morning guys.
For your baby or for you?
For me.
Go to school. I'll drop you to school.
Take. Hello Rachna, you are coming. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಹಾರ್ಟ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ದನ? ನೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ.
Kuch bhi.
Nice to meet you for long time.
Meeting after very long time. Say hi.
First choosing to school is
Eating. So busy. Aditya. Middle one. Yeah, guys. Middle one is good. Guys, comment which is good. Middle one or akade.
Mention black heart in between.
Hello.
Hey, hi. Where were you? With these people you went? Okay, I didn't see.
Hi, how is it? This ball.
You are buying?
No. Simply display na.
అంతే
బాల్స్ అంటే
నిజంగా
You can use this one, no?
Come here,
Use this
hello,
one.
come here.
మీ బాల్స్
Both.
20 times.
That is another one. This is 5 your size. This is 5.
ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್
20 times.
No.
Boys.
10 times.
No.
5 times.
No. Second floor.
5 times.
Second. Hey, you.
5 kg is very.
It's too heavy. I live like that.
25 kg is also not a heavy thing.
Slipper comfy.
ಹೌದಾ 20 times.
20 times. No, you said 10 times.
20 times.
Hi, Naina. Hi.
Naina will do easily. నైనాకైతే 30.
3.
లాస్ట్ ఒక 30
4.
Challenge.
అయిపోయింది
ఏ ప్లీజ్ సాకు
5 kg ಅಷ್ಟೇ
ಸಾಗುಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏ ಸಾಕು ಕೈ ನೋವು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಗೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ 26 20
ನೈನಾ 40
ಗೈಸ್ ಏನು You didn't even notice me.
ಅರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮೆರಾ ಯಾ
Surprise for you.
Surprise! Seriously? ಇದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನನಗಿಂತ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ
ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಹೇಟ್ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದು ನಾನು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ Guys, he bought us chocolate.
Eating.
Sorry. Guys, he is having interview at 4:30. He is watching reels.
Keep chill, guys. Interview is coming, going. Life is have to.
ನಾಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್
Life all about the enjoyment.
Enjoyment.
Keep
You know,
enjoying.
before 10 minutes, you can't see him.
ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಡೇಟ್
Enjoy, guys. Enjoy. Life is about enjoyment. Don't do work. Don't do anything.
Don't do anything. Don't follow him, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, we got watermelon. We are having it. He is chopping it. Hey. He is slow. ಗೈಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ರು ನಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರು ನಾವಿರಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಇವರೇ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಳೆ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಬಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಲ್ಸಿ ಬಂದ್ಲು ಅಕ್ಕ ಬಂದ್ಲು ಬಿಸಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಬಂದ್ಲು ಬಿಸಿ ಸೋ ಬಿಸಿ ಗೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಲಾಗ್ನ ನಾಳೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಅಂಡ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ವರೆಗೂ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ What is that? Guys, come, let's take some. ಆಚೆ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತವ್ರೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಬರ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾನಂತೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಮ್ ಗಾಯ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೇ ಕಮ್ permission kottilla so they are going to Barna brother I don't know whether brother will give or not we just want to go out did they give permission
Yeah, successful.
we are going out with Rachna brother is like Rachna you are leading them I was like no I don't even know them we came to BK circle hey Chaitanya sing you come this side ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು BK Circle to eat snacks.
It's spicy, very spicy. It's too spicy.
But it's too good. Aditya. Guys, now we are having you can and time. Guys, coffee guys, coffee ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದವರು.
Guys, see this.
ನೋಡಿ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು
ಏನೋ ಗೈಸ್ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿ.
ಗೈಸ್ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾಫಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಏ ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ಗೈಸ್. ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಟೀ
ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ತಮಿಳ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್
ಯಾ
ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಯವಾಂಗ ನವಾಂಗ
కాఫీ చాలా బాగుంది. Guys, they forgot their language. Coffee, not tea. Yeah, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil mix. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಗೈಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಇನ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾಳೋ ಗೈಸ್ ಇವಳು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೈಸ್. ನನಗೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಓಕೆ ಕೊಲಾಬ್ ಯಾ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಓಕೆ let's see guys, is stylish Hari Krishna. ನನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ರು ಬರ್ರೋ ಏ ಓಡ್ರೋ ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ವೇಟ್ ನಾನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮದ್ವೆ ಬಂದಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತವ್ರೆ ಇವಳು. ಮದ್ವೆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮದ್ವೆ ಬಂದಂಗ್. We found something. It's Visa. Is it Visa? Visa. ICICI Bank.
I think
Someone debit card.
golden card. Now only. Yeah, bro. Alok Bharti.
What will do? Is it any ATM nearby?
And pin code is their Axis Bank.
Is it pin code? ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಯಾರು ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಟ್ ಆ ಅಂಗಡಿಯವರೇ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟಿರೋದು.
Social work guys.
Yeah, he did social work.
Yeah, we are social candidates. We must have to do social work.
But they only thrown it away.
Yeah, we got fooled.
Yeah.
Roasted.
But it's okay.
Yeah,
we tried.
Yeah, golden heart. That's
yeah, we tried.
Yeah.
See, we all came, but she didn't. He went again. What is this, Chaitanya? Social work. Helping elder people.
Yeah, it's difficult, but we have to do something.
Just a bit.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Capture him also. Come, hero. Guys, I love KitKat. Guys, what a cheating. He gave it to her, but he didn't bring for me.
Okay.
No, guys, it's okay. Guys, you know, I'll come here. So disturbance. Guys, he is having big Dairy Milk silk, okay? So So he's going back to dormitory and he'll share with everyone. But he can't give it to me because I'm going home. So he bought it and give it to me. Thank you so much. ಅಲ್ಲ ಗೈಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಗೈಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಶಲಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಎರಡು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಗೈಸ್ people come people go people change guys is not understanding people give chocolate to only one girl
New friends na.
anyway though he is giving chocolate to her of course she will share with me yes of course she will share I'll bring it tomorrow but not now I'll share it I think he will give it to me
Hey, what cherry?
Okay, share. Okay, let's share. Okay, let's share. Guys, he gave it to me. That's why he went again and bought it. Chaitanya. People are there for me also.
Yeah, fans of
Hey, you go.
Yeah. Okay.
No, now we are sharing. Yeah, we will share. Cheers.
Okay, we'll
Share. Open. No, not share. Hey, give to me. You didn't give me. Aditya, I don't talk to you. Go.
You have one Ray. She got left out. That's why I'll give.
So sweet of you. So sweet of you.
Later I'll.
Let me see when you will buy. Okay. Anyway, bye guys. Bye guys. This is for the day. We'll meet tomorrow again. Comment ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Zepto owner na. Bye.
Giveaway is going on, guys. Comment ಮಾಡಿ. Someone you want lucky prize giving. Kit Kat 5-star.
Even I got vibes.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Lots of love. Bye. See you in my next vlogs.